Hello and welcome! In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable auto-delete browsing data in the Firefox browser app on your Android device. This feature helps keep your privacy intact by automatically clearing selected data every time you close the browser. Let's get started. Open the Firefox browser app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Browsing Data on Quit. Tap on it to open the settings. Now turn on the toggle for Delete Browsing Data on Quit. Once activated, you will see a list of data types such as Open Tabs, Browsing History, Cookies, Cached Data, Site Permissions, and Downloads. Finally, select the data categories you want Firefox to automatically delete each time you exit the app. And that's all there is to it. Enabling this setting will help you maintain your privacy effortlessly by clearing browsing data on Quit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.